Hello everyone and welcome back to عامر English channel. My name is عامر الحسني and today I will help you learn how to write a short review. This is a very important skill for grade 6 students in their final exams and I will show you how to make it simple and easy. So let's get started. First of all, let's ask this question. What do we mean by review writing? A review is a piece of writing where you share your opinion about something like an app or a game or a device. So here you need to describe what it is and mention its good and bad points. You might have like these questions. For example, write a review of a mobile app you use, or maybe your favorite game or app. And here what we mean by app is an application. So the question will usually ask for a short review, so don't worry, you only need a few sentences to answer it well. There are three main things that you need to consider before you start writing your review, and it is mentioned in your book. First of all, the introduction. You need to give us like a short introduction of the app that you are using. The second thing that you need to consider is to mention the good points. And as you can see here in the book, there are some few good points about this app. And the last thing that you need to write is about the bad points. So for example, if you are asked to write about your favorite mobile app, or maybe you can write about this application that you have in the book. So here you will have like this model answer as you can see it in your book. So this app is called What Plant app, and the student here is interested in gardening, and that's why he is writing some good and bad points about this app. So let's have a look at it. Also, you might write another one about this app in your mobile phone, like YouTube Kids. And maybe you can start with the introduction. So maybe your introduction will look like this one, as a short description or definition of the app. For example, one of my favorite mobile apps is YouTube Kids. I use this app because I'm keen on watching and learning from the videos. There are some good and bad points about it. Then you will move to write about the good points about YouTube Kids. So here maybe you can develop some few points about YouTube Kids. For example, number one, it has many educational videos and fun cartoons which I like. Number two, it is easy to use. Number three, it can work in any device. And then you will move to the bad points. And here we are talking about, for example, number one, some videos can be repetitive. Number two, it doesn't work when there is no network. We can move on to this template, and this template is also going to help you a lot in your final exam. So let's consider this one. So when you have like the writing exam, you can start your introduction in this way. One of my favorite mobile apps or games, choose one. If it is an app or application, or if it is a game. Maybe apps can replace games here in this one. And then you need to write the name of this app or game. I use this app or game because I'm keen on, and then you need to choose one of these phrases. For example, attacking other players, if you are talking about a game which has like some fights, something like that, or communicating with others, if you are describing like one of social media sites like WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, whatever, or taking different photos and videos. And here we are talking about any apps that are related to cameras, when you can take some photos or videos, or knowing more about things, if you are talking about something that can give you some information about something. After you mention one of these phrases, then you will write this state. There are some good and bad points about this app or game. Good points. Number one, it's really fun and easy to use. Number two, it's cheap to buy. Number three, it can work in any device. Then you will move to the bad points. Number one, it doesn't work when there is no connection to the internet. Number two, it always requires updates. This template is going to help you a lot to write a well-organized and clear review about any app or game you have in your mobile phone. So you know what a review is, how to structure your writing, and how to use examples to make your review clear and interesting. So try writing your own review about your favorite app, game, or device. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips. See you next time. Happy writing!